Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Mama's Yummy Kitchen. If you like our video, watch it till the end and please don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to prepare papaya smoothie. To prepare papaya smoothie, we need papaya, cashew nuts, almond, sugar and milk. Now take a blender. Now put all the ingredients in the blender. Now blend all the ingredients properly. Pour the smoothie in a glass. Garnish it with raisins and cashew nuts. It's time to enjoy the smoothie. Yummy! Yummy papaya smoothie from Mama's Yummy Kitchen. Please subscribe our channel Mama's Yummy Kitchen. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. Bye!